Hi, everybody. I'm glad to be here, and I'm so glad you're here. And I just wanted to follow up on a couple of things that I was talking about yesterday, and just make sure that you're in shot here for these things. My natural light is coming through the window, and so I need to check on that for just a minute. There we go. Okay. These are some things that I've been using for making journal notepads and for gifts and happy mail and things like that. So this group of items they're called 49 Market. Beautiful paper. This particular group this is called Love Letters. I also have and am combining with it some other 49 Market 49 Market is what it's called, plus some Stamperia papers. But I wanted to show you these because they are so beautiful, and they go with things that I've already been using and love. So these are my coffee dyed papers. I recycle, and this is how they turn out, which I think is that they are so beautiful. And some people mentioned the green papers. Also, I use food coloring for those, and if you want me to show how I do that, I would be glad to. Just let me know in the comments. And I order this 1/4 inch. The size is 1/4 inch from Amazon, and it comes in a little pack of maybe, I think, 8 colors that blend together. I have some Bling that I found in going through my things, and all colors, all shapes, all sizes. And this Bling, some of this Bling is, you can sew it on. It's made with little holes in it so that you can sew it on. And I'll just show you the difference, just in case you might have some. I don't mind sewing it on, hand stitching it on. And beads. I have beads. So it's just a little baggie of some things that more than likely someone sent me. And I use those on the notepads. I use this little Bling. I don't know exactly what the brand is, but I can find out. I use a corner rounder for this project. And here is more of the Vintage Artistry 49 Market. And I have this here to show you how I peel the paper back for collaging to make pieces like this. You can see how I peeled the paper off the back. It's double-sided paper, so that gives you two different kinds of paper. So just to show you that. And the paper items go together, the colors go together. So pretty. So I just wanted to let you know about that, how it comes apart. And this is Stamperia paper. It comes apart too, but it's not as, there aren't as many layers on it. So I have taken it apart a little bit like this, but I can tell you that it's not as layered. It's not as thickly layered as the 49 market. So you can take part of it off and use it for collaging. But it doesn't come off in big pieces like the 49 market does. This is from 49 market. I just wanted to show you that how it comes apart. It comes apart in two large pieces, and then you can combine them on a project. For some really beautiful collaging. Very fun. Okay, so that's how that looks. So just take the coffee dyed paper or food color dyed paper that you're going to use, and make sure it's down even. With the other papers, and you can trim them later. And then I did get a crop top. I've never had one before. I've always used other things. And I go in about 1.5 inches or just enough to make sure it's, I don't know if you can see that. I'm using these. I'm using this side of it. And it's as easy as that to make the hole. So for me and for my hands, this is a godsend for me. Now on this one, I'm going to use pink ribbon, and I'm going to tie it together right away so it doesn't get out of sync. Just looking for my scissors, and if not, I'll have to continue on with something with my other project. So, because I do want to show you that. I don't know, for a person with so many scissors, I don't really know why I can't find one pair right now. So I'm gonna go past that project, that part of the project, the ribbon part, and I'm just going to move into the decorating. I wanted to show you about the crocodile, best thing I've done in a long time, and so next will be a little distressing. And maybe I'll come across my scissors, my mini scissors. As you know, the coffee dyed paper is distressed from the coffee. So I just use one of these. It's a brush. Hard to believe. And I do just go over the edges. And then the 49 Market has these beautiful punch outs. All different kinds on all of their kits. Faux lace, I'll call it faux lace. To decorate with. So I just think it's such neat paper, and I'm going to go ahead and decorate the front. Glitter glue works best for this. You can use Aleene's Turbo Tacky Glue or Tacky Glue. You can use the things I did yesterday in my journal yesterday. I just used glue stick, Elmer's glue stick. Very fun. And these make, I don't know why people like these so much. I like them. I think they're cute. But I'll tell you what, people are just thrilled here to receive a little notepad like this. It's really fun. Maybe I'll just use the blue. I don't know. The blue is cute. And you don't need very much, just a little bit. So I wanted to show you about separating the papers and using them on each other for collage. I can do that on the back of this. I already separated this paper. You know, you don't need very much because you don't want warping. Here's the punch outs, some different ones. And I want to use this one for the front. I just love them. It's hard to choose. And I'll trim that off and clean it up when I find my scissors. And then I just want to put a little bling, one of these little pink bling on the front. This is so easy. And I hope I'm in shot. Yep. These little, this little bling has sticky on the back, but I don't trust it because these notepads get tossed around a bit and I wouldn't want to lose it. So then this word will just be perfect. Okay. Now, yesterday, it's the weirdest thing. I mentioned that I had ordered the Japanese hole screw punch. And I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but I received it, and I'm so happy. Already tried it once in there. It's great. It's perfect. Look at that. It seems to work just like Rachel's does. I did order it from Fire Mountain. They got it to me pretty quick. And it has these extra heads. They're the different sizes. I just need to put this in my glue so it doesn't dry up. So they sent an extra little gift. I haven't taken it out and looked at it because I only just got it. I only just received it last night. Let's see. And here are the other bits. The different sizes. I think I would, in order to use the ribbon, the 1/4-inch ribbon, so here are the different sizes. So I think that one would be the best for the 1/4-inch ribbon. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. I think I'm not doing this right. So let's see. Make sure I like to get the writing from this recycled paper. I don't need that. I don't know why I got it out. it's just coming out, so I'm not sure. I think I didn't get that in correctly. If you know about this, please leave a comment and let me know. I must be doing something wrong. This is I don't know, just from looking at it, this seems to be how it should go. Yep, this one worked out. This one seems to need some more work on it. Interesting. Rachel has used hers a whole lot of times. Like, she's really used to it. You guys that know how to use this are probably sitting back there laughing.